Hello loves, today kicks off video 2. We will be completing several projects today toward our big style family room update. It's all about the walls today, my friends, so sit back for tips and ideas and let's get started. On our last episode, we completed the painting of the walls, so we're going to start on the fireplace today. We'll be trying this Stove Bright black flat paint on the surface and inside the firebox. We cleaned the front face of the fireplace and all the attachment to get rid of all the dirt and grime. Once the surface was dry, we used fine sandpaper, about 120 to 200 grit, to scratch the surface of the fireplace. This would give the paint a bonding surface to bond to the fireplace front. Now here is a tip. Call your manufacturer first before you do anything and apply any cleaning solvent to your fireplace. If you move into an existing home that has a fireplace you want to update, I will probably try it on a surface that's not shown and see if it can handle the cleaning solvent. You're going to shake your spray paint really well, and then you're going to spray 8 to 10 inches away from the surface. Start by spraying away from the surface to get rid of the spittle, then transfer that spray to the surface. Now this is a continuous spray, so you're going to go back and forth on your surface. Now, do not stop in the middle of your spraying. This will cause some stop and starts spots on your surface, and it won't look attractive. Now, if you get that, it won't be a problem. Let it completely dry, and then you're going to sand that out. Once you sand it out, you can begin again. Stove Bright is a high temperature paint. It's ideal for wood pellets and gas stoves, as well as any metal surfaces subject to high temperature. It comes in several colors for $18.49 from Amazon. I purchased 2 cans for this job, and we applied 2 to 3 coats. It looked like it came right out of the store. Beautiful job, babe. Beautiful job. So basically, you sand it down and then paint it. That's just 1 coat after that?
Yeah.
1 coat, wow. But it was 2 coats before.
Mm-hmm.
It is beautiful. Simply gorgeous. Love it. Okay guys, so we're now, we just finished painting the inside of the firebox. There were some marks in here and it was pretty dingy, so we went ahead and cleaned this out. Took all the rocks out, took the grate out, and painted with that Stove Bright spray paint inside here. We got the back and walls and even up at the ceiling there, just around that part where the pipe is, because there's a pipe up there where the vent goes out. So we didn't put any spray up there, but we sprayed around it with that nice black color. It doesn't look new. It looks really, really nice. And we have the fan going to get the fumes out. And clean the rocks. Put it in the dishwasher, because they were filthy. But now they're all clean and sparkly. Nice, beautiful glass. You know, these things are very expensive. I don't know how many bags, but if you look on Amazon, I think they wanted something like, depending on what type you get, stones or glass, I think they range anywhere between $17 to $30 a bag. And I don't know how many ounces the bags are, but that's pretty expensive. We decided just to keep the glass that we got, just to clean it, because I was thinking about getting some white ones, but I changed my mind, or either I just wait and get it down the line and we just keep the ones we have. And we cleaned it. It looks pretty nice, so we wanted to reuse these. And here it is, loves. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is gorgeous. We finally got the fireplace in and everything is finished. Now we will move on to the next project. Now the next project, I am so excited to be showing you guys. We are getting a fireplace mantel. This is part of the project that I just look forward to because I've always wanted a mantle. I really miss that decorating during the Christmas time where you can decorate your mantle and things of that nature. And I thought, I got to get a mantle, but I don't want it to be a fixed mantle. I want to be able to take it down if I want to and install it during the holidays. So we decided to purchase this mantle. Now, this mantle was ordered from Amazon. It's a pearl mantle. It was $159. It's 60 inches wide, 5 inches high, and 10.5 inches wide. It's an authentic pearl mantle. The pearl signature is on the side that's inlaid on the right side of the shelf. And we thought that this will be a good product to try. Now, eventually, when I make up a decision to actually get a mantle permanently installed here, then I would have one built from a carpenter. It comes in 2 pieces, the actual shelf with a locking wood slat on the back for easy installation, and the second piece is a backing board that holds the mantle tightly to the wall. It is deep enough to hold photos and plants and strong enough to hold seasonal decor like a Christmas decor. The instruction says to measure your fireplace, to find the center for the mantle shelf, to hang or anchor the hanger board piece on the wall. Once the wood hanger is mounted, you're halfway done. I forgot to mention, the hardware is not included with this mantle, which is surprising to me. So you want to try it. If you want to try this product, you must keep that in mind. Also, I read many of the reviews, and about 80% of the customers like the product. I would suggest you read the reviews and make a decision if you want to try it like I did. And it's gorgeous. Love the way it looked. Love how the fireplace came out. Look how beautiful that is. That black. Everything's coming together. And we have enough room for our portrait or whatever wall art we're going to put up there. Now the mantle is a little high, but I'm thinking that is the going design now. I've been searching through magazines and online, and the mantle seems pretty high. So I thought, okay, we'll go with that. But the problem was we needed a stud to mount this. And if you can see, we were mounting it down here, making it closer to the mantle, but it wasn't no studs here. So we had to fill those holes up, and we're going to repaint that. And now we have found some studs up here to go across here as a header. And we mounted the mantle there, and now it's nice and sturdy. And it's balanced and close to the wall. So I'm quite satisfied with it. Okay, we come to the last part of the project today, and that will be the niches on either side of the fireplace. Now, I wanted to add some sort of accent decor to the niche to bring out and showcase my artwork. At first, we thought a white background would do the job, but then after we did that, I didn't particularly care for it, and it was missing something. So I decided, why not get a cut of mirrors made from our local glass shop, and that will do perfectly in these niches. Now we're using a mastic glue, which is glue that is perfect for a mirror backing, and the only thing with this glue is that it dries very quickly. The mastic glue cost about $8, and the mirrors were about 20 some dollars a piece. That brought us something close to $50 for everything. So we tried to leave about a 1/16 of an inch around the mirror so we would be able to apply it to the back wall, and it can also center. And I am loving this. It's 24 hours and we removed the shims, and it looks gorgeous. It's perfect. It's exactly what I want, and it really beautifies this area. Well, that would do it for episode 2, my friends. Come back next week for episode 3, where we'll be installing all kinds of good things. Hope to see you there.